Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to show you how to post job in LinkedIn. First of all, you can see we are on LinkedIn feed and we already created our account here. So when you will visit LinkedIn profile, you need to be create an account and then you need to be complete your profile. Then you can easily create a job from this LinkedIn place. It is a platform where professional people communicate with each other. So here you will find your desired applicant or desired job seeker for your business. So first of all, you need to go on that section in the top bar and you will find out job section. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you can find out here is lots of option. So first of all, many people already posted lots of jobs here, so you can take idea from this job or you can go on this place. You will find out this option before, or you will find out this post a job option in after the profile section. So just click here, and once you click here, they will redirect you to a new page. Here you can create your post for your job applicant, and here you have the option to create your job title. So here you can easily post your job for your company. So here you can see we already get two options. One is job title and another is your company name. So right now I am going to post a job on video editing. So I need a video editor for my YouTube channel. So I will search for video and they will recommended me some job facilities, and they will recommended me some job applicants here. So here I will click on video editor option. Once I click on video editor, right now I need to be complete the company from here. So here you can see by default Microsoft has been saved. So I will remove this and I will search for YouTube. So I am making video on YouTube, so YouTube is my company right now. So I will choose this one from recommended options. So once you click on here, you have two options. One is you can create your job post by or with AI, and another one is with by your own. So I will go with this second button. Just click over here. Once you click over here, they will take a while and they will redirect you to this task page. So now you need to be fulfill all the from here. So here you can see we have workplace type, job description, job location, job type, and also the description one. So you need to be place your job type here, I mean the workplace type. So when you click on one site option, you will have three options. One is one site. One site means people need to be attend in the office to work with you, and another is remote. So remote will be like this way, a job seeker can work with you by staying his or her home. So I will choose a remote worker. Then they are asking for a location, so you can find out a job seeker from globally. So I am looking for a job seeker who is located in United States. So I will search here United States. So once I will search United, they will recommended some country here and cities. So I will choose United States. Then you can see the job type. Just click over here and you will find out what kind of type you are looking for. Like you are looking for a full-time employee, you are looking for part-time employee, or you are on contract-based worker. So I will go for part-time. So I am looking for a part-time student or part-time worker for my video editing. So I fulfill all the form here and then my work has been completed, but little bit task has been remained. Like I need to be create a description. I will describe what kind of skill I am looking for in a employee, so they can read it and they will find out that they are fulfilling with my requirement. So I already take help from ChatGPT. I told him to make a description for me on based on my job. So here you can see I write this prompt here and they provide me this description. So I will click it and I will edit it. Like I already pasted the requirement, so you can see my requirements. So I will just remove this one. This is not necessary. I already filled these forms here, so I don't need those options. So now I will click on preview, or I can go with next button, but actually I just want to show you the preview how it will be look when I will publish the job. So here it will be look like this way. So job seeker will find out this way. This is will be go their feed in this design. So I hope you will find out this is helpful for you. So then I will click on next, and then they will redirect me on second page. In here you have some simple tasks, because when you post a job, so employee will be contact with you through LinkedIn or email. So here you can see our first option is applicant collection. When someone find out that this job is related to you and he is or she is fulfilling the requirement, she will apply on the job. So when she or he will apply on the job, you will be notified by your Gmail, or they can contact with you through the Gmail. So that's why I need to be paste my Gmail in here. Then they are asking for add some questions. So questions is really important. Once you are looking for a job seeker who is expertise on the field of video editing, they know what kind of skills they are needed for this video editing. If they know little bit, or if they have little bit idea about the field, they can ask your answer or questions easily. So I will tell them that you need to be expert on Canva for 2 years. So here you can see when I will write Canva, they will give me options. So here the ideal answer will be 1 year or 2 year. I want, if anyone have only 1 year expertise, he is eligible for the job. Then I will also again add another skill. It will be Adobe. So you can see we will get some recommendations here. I think there is no recommended related to my video editing. So I will search Photoshop, then they will give me some option here. Then I will ask for 2 years minimum expertise here. Then I will click on must have qualification. Then also I can ask for education. Are they are really educated or not? In this way I will judge them, and then I will invite them to join with my team so I can work with them. So perfectly I did all my thing in this task. When a job seeker will find out this is related to his skills and expertise, he will apply on my job. And now my work has been done here, but we have pretty much work to do in here. There you can see LinkedIn already suggest us some these text, so we need to be editing here. So just we need to be click on continue. Once we click on continue, they will redirect us to this pop-up button. So here you can see this is a confirm your company email address. So I am posted a job through YouTube, so it means YouTube is my company, so they are asking for my admin mail access. So here you need to paste your company email. So if you paste any email individual, even it will be not accepted. So before posted a job in LinkedIn, always remember you need a Gmail on your company name. So without your company name you cannot post your Gmail, so they will send a code in your company email. So you must need a company email to post in job in LinkedIn. So we already completed our all work. So you can see if we go on the feed and then we again go to this section, if we click on job, then we will find out another option here after the post free job option. So click here and you can see that our job has been saved in a draft option. So when we will manage our admin panel email, we can post our job in LinkedIn. So right now we don't have any email, so we are not able to post the job in LinkedIn, but we can see the interface here, how it will be look after publish. So here you can see this is our job, this is our job title, this is our company name, the desired country where we are looking for job seeker, this is the created, and this is the time, how much time we take to make this job post. And here you have the job info. Here you can see the industry, employment type, and more things. So you can see also the job performance. It means the analytics, how many people view your job and how many job applicants do you have who apply for this job. So here you can easily measurement all the things here. So it is really easy and simple task to post a job in here. And already I mentioned LinkedIn is a place where professionally people meet with them and communicate with them. So in here you will find out lots of skillful person for your business. So therefore I will suggest you to post your job in LinkedIn, and you will find out your desired applicant from that place. I hope this video helped you to understand about LinkedIn, how LinkedIn job platform is work for you, and how you can post your job in LinkedIn. I hope you loved this video. If you found out this video is little bit helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button. And if you have any questions related to this video, you are invited to ask me in the comment box. Just comment me, I will reply your all the comment in comment box.